how to upload full picture on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here to our Instagram first. Now here on your homepage on the bottom part, you'll see plus icon there. Tap on plus icon to create a new post. And if you wish to upload the full picture, for example, this picture, right? Let's say you want to upload it looking like this. And as you can see, Instagram has this new update that its maximum capacity for a specific picture is this size. To have your full picture is just like this. If you click on the lower left part, it will only look like this. Now, for you to upload a full picture on Instagram, you will be needing another application. So you can go here to your app store and look for their Square Fit Photo. Search for that and then download that one. Then after downloading that, it will look like this. Now tap on photo next and choose the photo that you want to upload in full pictures on Instagram. So for example, this one, click on that photo and then tap on X. Now as you can see here, you will be given sizes here, right? Now since it's a 1:1 ratio, then click on 1:1 ratio here and it will look like this, and tap on next, then tap on done. And then now as you can see, it is currently saved in your photos. Now once we go back here to our Instagram, choose this one, and as you can see, we have now our full picture, and tap on next here, tap on next and tap on share. And as you can see, this is how you upload full picture on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.